Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to autoplay previews on the Netflix application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should go to your home page and click on the avatar icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on manage profiles at the top. Select your profile by tapping on it. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and here you can find the autoplay previews feature that you can enable by simply clicking on the button next to it. After that, you should click on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen to save your changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.